What's this? What's this?
What do you think it is?
A Demogorgon?
Yeah, look. Which car do you want?
I want the tractor.
Tractor? Where? This one?
Yes.
Which one?
This one, this the
Oh, the
tractor.
blue one? Okay. Look, there's a doggy.
There's a dog.
Oh, hold on. Yep. Okay. Well, you look for. Oh god, it's hard to control.
There's a Demogorgon.
Oh man.
That's
Oh man. Oh man.
the tractor. He broke it. Oh, the dog is not broken.
Oh, we're still alive.
Let's pick more. Daddy, what's this?
A Demogorgon.
What? Well, it's a real. It turned a real Demogorgon. This one.
Which one?
This one. Huh?
The little one?
This one? This one? Yes.
What? This one?
Yeah. It's a movie. What happened to the Demogorgon, Daddy?
Oh man. Oh no. Oh, flipped over. No. Oh.
The plane.
Do you want to take a plane? Oh, there is a plane. Let's see if we can find one.
The red truck.
Oh yeah, it's Luke's turn, right?
This one, the red truck. This one.
Okay.
What's price?
Oh.
Thank you.
Come on, man. Oh. Oops, I guess I'm a bad driver. Oh, gosh. Alright. Here we go. I missed!
Yeah.
Where are we going? Somehow we're flying. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. Oh, man. Oh, we died.
Nino, you turn! Oh. Well, which one? Do you want the truck or this one? Which one? I want the Demogorgon toy. Yeah. You don't have it! You're the one picks this one? There's a doggy, he's hopping. Yeah. What do you want, Nino? You want a taxi? Which one, Nino? That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh man, I missed again. Oh.
Then we'll get a wall.
Oh. Oh. Man.
He missed. Good wait.
I missed.
It's my turn.
Okay, which one do you want?
You can have it's over there.
Mm-hmm. Wish I could travel faster.
You want to get this call you? I want to. Can I have the crane?
You want the crane? Okay.
I want this crane.
This one right here? Okay.
Gotta press the button and it comes the cars.
Yeah.
What happened to turn the real Demogorgon?
Oh. That was a good one, huh? Got more still. Oh. Okay, now it's Nino.
Nino, you want this one? Where one's Nino?
The blue one? No.
This
The
one.
red one? Okay. Alright, I won't miss this time, okay? Wait, let me see here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to... we go. Oh, we got stuck.
Yeah.
Oh man, oh no, there it goes.
This one?
The blue one?
Yes.
Oops.
That's my blue.
Light blue, yeah. Oops. Oops.
They missed the pink one. We're going.
Blast off. Oh, yes.
Well, what's carbon ones, Nino? I want it. What I want, Nino? The truck.
Which one? Oh, the cement truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have this one.
Which one? The white one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You make one?
Oh. Sorry. Okay, you ready to go?
Stop real quick.
That's Nino's car. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Say go.
Go.
Alright, here we go. You missed. Oh god, huh? Oh. We're still alive. Oh. Sorry, Nino. Okay. I want to like make it spawn over there. What do you want? You had the back up? Okay, you got it.
What's moving? Wheel. This leg. His leg's broken. His leg's happened to screw.
Whoa! Is he gonna fall? Is he gonna fall?
Yes.
Oh, we're spinning.
Oh, broken.
Yeah, we're still alive a little bit. Oh.
He's gotta go over there.
Oh man.
He cannot go on the top.
Cannot. Okay, which card do you know?
I want to pick.
Stuck. Come on.
You want what's one, you know? You want to pick the police car?
Nope, what's up?
Which one, you know? That boy.
This one, this one?
Yeah.
This one? Okay. Oh, it's so fast! Oh! Oh, I crashed it. Oh, oops, I'm sorry.
Simple.
Oh, man.
Stop. So go to the bicycle.
Oh,
Motorcycle.
oh, the motorcycle. Oh, yeah, I broke it on accident. I wonder if I can get out and... Oops, let's see.
Can I use my hand?
Maybe.
Wait. Get out. It's getting out. Wait. What happened to the bicycle?
Oh, I think I broke it. Sorry.
Can I get a new ball? Is
Yeah.
it my turn?
No, I messed up on Nino's turn. Sorry.
Get a place to go. It's not working.
Yeah, it's stuck. Which one do you want, Nino?
I want to pick that. You want to pick this one have hair, Yeah. You pick. Huh? Which one? I'm gonna pick that one.
This one?
Yeah. Stop it twisting this rope across the cars, Daddy.
I'm sorry. It's a lot harder than it looks.
It's so green.
You're gonna get so angry? I'm sorry. Okay, I don't want you to get angry.
I need Demogorgon.
Oh, that was a good hit, Nino.
That's look like one broken. It's not moving.
Oh,
I can see the doggy broken.
doggy's broken. Okay,
Turn.
yes it is.
It's emergency. This, I want this. This one.
It's an army truck.
Yes. There comes me. And see me in my Stop it! Stop it! Look at the
The Demogorgon? Okay. Here we go. I think we're gonna finish it off.
Oh, okay, you get that. Uh-oh. Come down.
What makes us all down?
I don't know. It's not fell down. Uh-oh. That's a broken place. I got so angry. Let's go. We got it.
There it goes.
Huh?
Oh, we'll come down. Okay.
Do it again. Dance turn. Look turn. Dance turn. Look turn. Nano turn.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. What? Would you try to...
Yeah, I'm trying to think of that.
Oh no. Oh no. Stop saying that. I just want to hit this to fix it.
You want to fix it? Okay. So try this.
How do I fix it?
We'll try a different one.
But can I try this?
Can you guys say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.